Fired Dallas police officer Amber Guyger appeared in court today for what could be the final hearing before her murder trial. And with so much scrutiny on the shooting death of Botham Jean, both sides are now trying to set guidelines for Guyger to receive a fair trial. Several pieces of evidence were placed in the court record today, including the gun used in that shooting. Fox 4's John Rabb was in court on TV now with the latest. Sean.
And Heather, the hearing lasted about an hour today. Amber Guyger occasionally looked over and talked to her attorneys or the investigator, but mostly had her eyes locked on Judge Tammy Kemp. She did not look over when the gun was introduced in the courtroom. Now, along in the court today, also some friends of Botham Jean and his pastor, not speaking, just looking and listening to the attorneys and the judge. Dressed in a white sweater, blue top, and gray skirt, Amber Guyger, flanked by the defense team investigator, made her way to Judge Tammy Kemp's 7th floor courtroom.
We are here this morning to conduct a pre-trial hearing.
6 assistant DAs make up the prosecution team, headed by Jason Hermes.
Inside State's Exhibit number 251 is a firearm and a magazine.
Hermes entered into evidence the gun Guyger used to shoot and kill Botham Jean, thinking he was an intruder in her apartment when she was actually at his apartment in Southside on Lamar. Hundreds of crime scene photos also entered into the record a month before trial gets underway. Attorney Russell Wilson is in private practice now and in no way connected to this case, but as a prosecutor, headed up the division that investigated officer-involved shootings.
There may be some questions regarding the admissibility of all of the photographs. And then there may be some questions regarding forensic testing that was or wasn't done on the weapon or the projectiles.
I did hear the actual shot, and that's what prompted me to go outside and actually start recording the video.
Ronnie Bunny Babs has given the world its only glimpse of the on the phone and pacing Guyger minutes after the shooting. She shared her story with the online site Advise Media Network. Defense attorney Michael Mola submitted to the court several affidavits concerning Babs and the GoFundMe page she created.
That might be information that they intend to use to try to impeach her, her testimony or other statements that she has made.
I asked for these proposed charges just to expedite things.
Judge Tammy Kemp asked both sides to provide proposed jury charges to her. The jury charge is the set of rules jurors should follow when deliberating guilt or innocence. The judge wants to have it in advance so that it's ready for jurors when testimony ends.
The court has not made a decision as to whether or not the potential jurors will be sequestered or not, but I don't want to waste time in pulling together the charge.
Again, Tammy Kemp, the judge, thinks she's not yet made up her mind whether she will sequester the jurors. Jury selection starts on September 6th. A panel of 4,000 people will be summoned to the courthouse. From that number, Judge Kemp hoping to seat 12 and 4 alternates by September 13th. The trial is set to begin September 23rd.